Healthy plants start with the right amount of water, and that's where a soil moisture meter makes all the difference. By accurately measuring moisture levels in the soil, it helps you prevent overwatering or underwatering, ensuring your plants thrive. Perfect for gardeners, farmers, and houseplant lovers alike. Here are the best 5 soil moisture meters that combine precision, durability, and ease of use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Maxsolve Soil Moisture Meter. There's something magical about watching plants thrive under the perfect balance of care enough water, just the right amount of sunlight, and soil that feels alive. But guessing that balance can be tricky, and that's where the Maxsolve Soil Moisture Meter steps in. This compact, clever 3-in-1 tool transforms gardening from intuition into precision. With a simple glance, it tells you exactly what your plants need. Moisture, pH, and sunlight all in real time. It's the kind of smart simplicity every gardener dreams of. Whether you're tending a lush garden bed, caring for indoor plants, or nurturing delicate seedlings on a windowsill, what instantly stands out is how effortless it is to use. There's no battery, no charging, no digital fuss. Just insert the dual probes into the soil about 2 to 4 inches, adjust slightly, and watch the needle respond. The readings come alive almost immediately, guiding you toward perfect plant health. The double needle sensor system is a small but powerful innovation that makes readings faster and more accurate. You can trust what you see, whether it's a plant begging for water or soil leaning toward acidity. The range is wide and clear moisture from dry to wet, pH from 3.5 to 8, and sunlight from low to high intensity, making it versatile for all kinds of plants and soils. The tactile simplicity of switching between modes, moisture, pH, and sunlight is satisfying. Each measurement feels intuitive and direct, no complicated calibration or app needed. You get pure analog clarity with the twist of a dial. Its green body blends naturally with garden tools, and the lightweight build makes it easy to carry from pot to pot or across your backyard. It's durable enough for outdoor use, yet precise enough for indoor gardening. The 18-centimeter probe length ensures deep, consistent readings that reflect the soil's real condition, not just the surface layer. What makes the Maxsolve meter feel genuinely exciting is how it changes your relationship with plants. Instead of guessing when to water or wondering if your soil's too acidic, you have the answers at your fingertips. It empowers you to fine-tune every element your plants depend on. The sunlight sensor adds an extra layer of control, helping you reposition pots or beds for optimal exposure. It's a small tool, but it gives you the kind of insight that turns casual gardening into confident plant care. Pros: accuracy, simplicity, portability, no battery needed. Cons: manual reading, fragile probes. Number 4. Aideepen SGS10 Soil Moisture Meter. There's a quiet joy in tending to plants, the way leaves perk up after a good watering, the satisfaction of vibrant, thriving greenery. But too much or too little water can turn that joy into frustration. That's where the Aideepen SGS10 Soil Moisture Meter steps in, offering an elegant, digital solution to one of gardening's most common challenges. Designed for precision, simplicity, and speed, this compact tool helps you understand your soil's real needs instantly. Instead of guessing when to water, you get a clear, data-driven reading that makes plant care both effortless and rewarding. The first thing you notice about the SGS10 is its clean, modern design. Lightweight and portable, it fits comfortably in your hand while its slim probe slides easily into the soil. The LCD digital display is bright and crisp, giving you real-time feedback that's easy to read, even in sunlight. The measurement range is impressively wide, 0 to 99%, relative humidity covering everything from dry desert soil to richly moist garden beds. You can quickly tell whether your soil is thirsty or oversaturated, helping you strike that perfect moisture balance your plants crave. Using it couldn't be simpler. Just insert the probe, wait a moment, and the results appear instantly on the screen. The readings are refreshingly fast, powered by efficient low-energy technology. The device runs on a small CR2032 battery, so you don't have to worry about constant recharging or complicated setup. It's the kind of tool that makes even a novice gardener feel like a professional. You can move from one pot to another, testing and adjusting as you go, ensuring each plant gets the attention it needs. What makes the SGS10 truly shine is its versatility. It's equally at home in a kitchen herb garden, a greenhouse, or a large outdoor plot. Whether you're managing a few succulents or maintaining a full greenhouse, this digital hygrometer adapts effortlessly. Its accuracy and speed make it ideal for checking the health of different plants, from delicate flowers to hearty vegetables. It's not just a tool, it's a silent assistant, helping you nurture your plants with confidence and consistency. Compact, practical, and undeniably effective, the Aideepen SGS10 transforms guesswork into precision. It's a small investment that delivers big rewards in plant health and peace of mind, turning everyday gardening into a science of care and attention. Pros: digital precision, fast reading, wide range, easy use. Cons: battery needed, no pH reading. Number 3. Insoma SGS10 Soil Moisture Meter. There's something deeply satisfying about watching your plants flourish, and even more so when you know exactly what they need. The Insoma SGS10 Soil Moisture Meter brings that confidence to your fingertips with a sleek digital design that turns soil care into a precise, almost scientific experience. Gone are the days of guessing whether the soil feels too dry or still damp. With this smart moisture sensor, you get instant, reliable data that helps you water at the perfect time. Every time. Whether you're managing a greenhouse full of produce or just tending to a few houseplants, this compact tool brings clarity and control to your gardening routine. The Insoma SGS10 is designed for high accuracy and effortless operation. With a testing range of 0 to 99% relative humidity, it measures soil moisture with impressive precision, letting you know the exact hydration level your plants are living in. The backlit digital display is crisp and easy to read, even in dim environments or under bright outdoor light. You can instantly see the results at a glance, no squinting, no interpreting vague color scales, just clean numerical data that speaks clearly. What stands out most is its responsiveness. Within seconds of inserting the probe into the soil, the reading stabilizes, giving you fast feedback that makes daily plant care simple and efficient. The low-power consumption design ensures long-lasting performance using just a single CR2232 battery. And while the battery isn't included, the convenience and portability of this setup more than make up for it. The lightweight frame and smooth probe make it easy to move from pot to pot or bed to bed, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The versatility of the Insoma SGS10 is another highlight. It's just as useful in a home garden as it is on a farm, in a greenhouse, or across an orchard. Every plant species has unique moisture needs, and this device helps you meet them with confidence. You can check your lawn before irrigation, monitor houseplants in between waterings, or fine-tune the moisture levels in vegetable beds to promote healthy, vibrant growth. What makes this tool so enjoyable is how it bridges simplicity and sophistication. It doesn't overwhelm you with features. It just works, efficiently and reliably. The combination of fast readings, clear display, and broad application makes it an indispensable helper for anyone who loves watching green life thrive under their care. Pros: accurate reading, clear display, fast response, portable. Cons: battery required, no pH detection. Number 2, Insoma SGS07 Soil Moisture Meter. Every plant tells a story through its soil too dry, too cold, too acidic, and the Insoma SGS07 Soil Moisture Meter is the perfect translator for that language. This 3-in-1 digital soil tester takes the guesswork out of gardening by giving you precise, real-time insights into 3 vital factors: moisture, temperature, and pH. From the moment you switch it on, it feels like holding a tiny lab in your hand. Whether you're nurturing houseplants, maintaining a garden, or managing crops, this tool brings science and simplicity together to help you understand your soil like never before. The SGS07 stands out immediately for its modern design and bright LCD screen. It's large, clear, and intelligently laid out, showing multiple readings at once, no need to toggle between modes. The built-in backlight adds a thoughtful touch, making it easy to read in any environment, whether you're indoors under soft lighting or outside in full sun. The display feels intuitive, giving you an instant overview of the conditions your plants are living in. The combination of clarity and accessibility makes it a joy to use, even for beginners. But this device isn't just about looks, it's about performance. With a moisture range from 0 to 90%, it measures the exact hydration level of your soil, helping you know precisely when to water. The temperature sensor, reading from 10 to 99 settings, reveals how warm or cool your soil really is, ensuring optimal growth conditions. Add to that a pH measurement range of 3 to 9, and you've got everything you need to balance acidity and alkalinity for different plant species. Whether your plants prefer slightly acidic soil or neutral ground, the SGS07 keeps you informed and in control. Its user-friendly functionality extends to thoughtful energy-saving features. The device automatically powers off after 30 seconds of inactivity, conserving battery life so you can use it longer between replacements. It runs on 3 880A batteries, keeping it light and easy to handle without the need for charging cables or apps. The probe inserts smoothly into soil, delivering readings within moments, and the Celsius-Fahrenheit switch offers versatility for every type of gardener. Practical, accurate, and refreshingly easy to use, the Insoma SGS07 transforms plant care from guesswork into precision. It empowers you to create the perfect environment for every leaf and root under your care. For anyone serious about growing healthier, happier plants, this small tool makes a big difference. Pros: multifunction, clear display, accurate reading, easy operation. Cons: battery needed. Number 1 and the winner is Irtov Soil Moisture Meter. Gardening can sometimes feel like a delicate balancing act, where every factor, light, water, soil, temperature, and humidity matters for your plants to thrive. The Irtov Soil Moisture Meter takes the guesswork out of that equation, offering a smart, compact solution for precise plant care. This 4-in-1 digital tool is designed to give you real-time insights into soil pH, moisture, sunlight intensity, and ambient temperature. From the moment you place it in your soil, it feels like having a miniature laboratory at your fingertips, guiding you toward healthier, more vibrant plants. Even novice gardeners will find it surprisingly easy to use, making plant care both intuitive and satisfying. One of the standout features of the Irtov meter is its clear digital display. The readings are fast, accurate, and easy to interpret, eliminating uncertainty about when to water, adjust sunlight exposure, or amend soil conditions. You can monitor humidity and temperature along with light levels to ensure your plants are thriving in the right environment. This holistic approach to gardening is what makes the tool so useful, giving you multiple parameters at once rather than relying on guesswork. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps your plants reach their full potential. The user experience has been carefully considered. Its probe responds quickly, giving instant feedback with every insertion, and the button interface is simple and responsive. Thanks to the 2024 probe inspection technology, each measurement feels precise, and the backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read in any lighting condition. The lightweight design is portable and comfortable to handle, so you can easily move it between indoor potted plants, garden beds, or greenhouse environments. This versatility allows for scientific planting practices at home, whether you are growing flowers, herbs, vegetables, or fruit. Beyond functionality, the Irtov soil meter makes plant care a more engaging and enjoyable experience. It transforms the routine of checking soil or monitoring sunlight into an interactive activity, empowering you to act based on clear data rather than intuition. Every measurement feels like a small step toward healthier, happier plants. It's more than a tool. It's a companion for anyone who wants to cultivate a beautiful garden efficiently and confidently. The meter blends modern technology with simplicity, ensuring reliable results without overwhelming the user. Pros: multifunction, accurate reading, easy use, backlit display. Cons: battery needed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.